Have you ever stopped to think about where all our computing power actually comes from? I have been watching China's computing revolution unfold, and honestly, it blows my mind. They are building data centers under the ocean, launching AI satellites into orbit, and powering it all with wind and sun. One underwater facility alone matches 30,000 computers. The digital economy now drives 10% of the entire national GDP. I know it sounds wild, but this is happening right now. If you find this stuff as fascinating as I do, hit that subscribe button and ring the bell. Trust me, you will not want to miss what comes next. China recently launched its first commercial underwater data center off Hainan Island's coast. The facility sits about 35 meters below the surface. It uses the ocean's natural cold water to keep servers cool. This approach saves massive amounts of energy and fresh water. The center has more than 400 high-performance servers. It can handle over 7,000 AI queries every single second. That is enough power for training complex AI models or running industrial simulations. China's computing revolution is proving that we do not always need to build data centers on land. The underwater approach offers better security and more reliable performance. It also uses far less electricity than traditional facilities. This project sets a new standard for sustainable computing worldwide. China's computing revolution depends on connecting computing resources across the entire country. The East Data West Computing Initiative forms the backbone of this effort. It was launched during the 14th five-year plan. The idea is simple but powerful. Eastern regions have huge computing needs but limited space and energy. Western regions have abundant land and renewable energy, but fewer users. So why not move the computing work to where the energy is? The government has already built 8 national computing hubs and 10 data center clusters. More than 60% of cities now connect to these clusters within 5 milliseconds. The goal is to achieve millisecond-level access nationwide by 2027. Some critical sectors like hospitals and industrial parks will eventually get connections under 1 millisecond. This network is not just about speed. It is about making China's computing revolution work for everyone. China is taking artificial intelligence to an entirely new level, literally. The three-body computing constellation project aims to deploy 1,000 computing satellites by 2032. The first 12 satellites went into orbit in May 2025. These satellites are not just communication tools, they actually process data in space. 10 AI models have already been deployed and tested in orbit. One model scans infrastructure from space. Another classifies cosmic events with 99% accuracy. This approach solves a big problem. Traditional satellites collect huge amounts of data, but struggle to send it all back to Earth. By processing data in space, these satellites send only the most important information down. All this computing power needs electricity, and lots of it. The rapid expansion of AI data centers has created an unexpected side effect. Demand for diesel generator sets has exploded. Factories in Nanchang City are running at full capacity to keep up with orders. These generators serve as backup power sources for data centers. A single AI data center might need 500 megawatts of backup power. That translates to about 250 diesel generators per facility. The market for these generators is projected to reach nearly $1.4 billion this year. That represents growth of more than 100% compared to last year. Manufacturers have raised prices by over 10% because demand keeps outpacing supply. This surge shows just how much infrastructure is needed to support China's computing revolution. China's computing revolution is not just about technology. It is transforming how entire industries operate. The East Data-West Computing Network is helping traditional sectors like manufacturing become smarter and more efficient. Factories are using AI to optimize production lines. Farms are using data analytics to improve crop yields. Hospitals are using machine learning to assist with diagnoses. Local provinces are building ecological industrial chains around these computing hubs. They are attracting investment and creating jobs. This digital transformation is streamlining local economies and improving public governance. It is driving high-quality industrial upgrades across the board. The massive investment in computing power acts as an engine for economic growth. China's computing revolution is positioning the nation to lead the next chapter of global industrial innovation. Tianjin has positioned itself as a major hub for artificial intelligence. The Tianjin Artificial Intelligence Computing Center serves as the city's digital brain. The facility represents an investment of 1.27 billion yuan. It currently provides 300 pounds of computing power using Huawei hardware. Plans call for expanding to 1,000 in the future. The center supports smart city development and urban governance. It helps manage intelligent transportation systems. It also drives digital transformation for traditional local industries. Notably, the center integrated the DeepSeek large language model to serve universities and enterprises. It replaced 14 foreign-based models with domestic alternatives. This move towards self-reliance is a key part of China's computing revolution. The municipality also introduced a plan targeting breakthroughs in 100 core technologies by 2027. Qinghai province in northwest China is showing how computing can be sustainable. The region has abundant solar, wind, and hydropower resources. It uses these clean energy sources to power its data centers. The province meets 90% of its data center electricity needs with renewable energy. This approach reduces carbon dioxide emissions by over 150,000 tons. The Clean Energy and Green Computing Dispatching Center monitors and manages energy creation and distribution. It ensures that computing workloads shift to regions with available green electricity. This model is now being evaluated for broader application across the country. Qinghai demonstrates that China's computing revolution can be both powerful and environmentally responsible. The province's success offers a scalable solution for addressing high energy demand and costs in the global computing industry. General-purpose AI models are useful, but specialized models are often much more powerful. Industries across China are adopting large AI models trained on industry-specific data. Medical AI systems can now predict patient conditions years into the future. Meteorological models have drastically reduced flood forecasting times while maintaining high accuracy. These targeted solutions are moving beyond the limitations of one-size-fits-all technology. The shift reflects a broader trend in technological advancement. According to recent reports, the core AI industry in China has grown substantially. It now exceeds $68 billion in value. More than 4,000 enterprises are actively contributing to this burgeoning field. This growth demonstrates the profound economic impact of customized artificial intelligence applications. China's computing revolution is making AI work better for specific industries and real-world problems. China is accelerating the development of its national digital infrastructure. The government is building sophisticated facilities for network computing and data distribution. It is also enhancing safety protocols to protect sensitive information. Advanced technologies like blockchain are being deployed to facilitate efficient data circulation. The goal is to enable secure trading of both public and enterprise data. Initial deployment is prioritized within major economic regions. These include the Beijing-Tianjin-Hebei region, the Yangtze River Delta, and the Greater Bay Area. The scale of data growth is staggering. The nation's total data output soared to nearly 33 zettabytes in 2023. That marks a 22% year-on-year increase. The digital economy now accounts for approximately 10% of China's total national gross domestic product. China's computing revolution is building the foundation for continued digital growth. International cooperation is another dimension of China's computing revolution. A new battery gigafactory is being built in the town of Shurany, Slovakia. This project represents a collaboration between China's Gotion and Slovakia's Inobat. Production is scheduled to commence by late 2027. Major manufacturers like Volkswagen have already secured early capacity. Since 2020, China has emerged as Slovakia's largest trading partner outside the European Union. Bilateral trade has reached significant financial heights. Analysts emphasize that this partnership has moved beyond simple commerce. Both nations are becoming woven into a more integrated global industrial framework. This cooperation highlights the growing potential for joint ventures in smart manufacturing. It also opens doors for collaboration in the digital economy and green energy sectors. The project strengthens Slovakia's overall industrial competitiveness within Europe. China's computing revolution is creating opportunities that span the globe. Inner Mongolia has become an unexpected hub for AI data centers. The region's naturally cool climate makes it ideal for housing servers. Ulanqab City hosts 89 data centers despite its relatively small population. Companies like the Z-Data Group are actively operating in the region. They prioritize rigorous emergency training and operational efficiency. Local authorities are collaborating with the state grid to construct dedicated power infrastructure. This initiative supports rapid expansion while ensuring long-term sustainability. China's broader commitment to clean energy backs these efforts. Renewable electricity sources now account for 60% of the nation's total installed power generation capacity. This massive scale of investment significantly outperforms the combined energy consumption of all 27 European Union member states. China's computing revolution is finding homes in some of the most unexpected places.